Dr. Steve Hotze, and I'm here with one of our guests at the Hotze Health and Wellness Center, Becky Andrews, who came in 6 months ago in January and was referred by one of our longtime guests. Becky, what made you decide to come in?
Well, taking care of my 94-and-a-half-year-old mother who's diabetic, I began to realize I needed to get somebody to take a look at me because I was not a doctor's visit type. And my friend had told me about the Hotze Clinic, and I travel on Southwest Airlines a lot, and I'd read the article in there, so I called and made an appointment for my 67th birthday. And I came in, and I was told what I needed to do, and my blood work was done, and it confirmed that I have not been behaving. And so I did everything I was told to do, and that was 6 months ago, next week.
What didn't they tell you blood sugar was high?
Oh, yes, sir. I was diabetic, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, Hashimoto's disease, and a bunch of other things I can't remember.
Hashimoto's disease is autoimmune thyroiditis.
Okay.
And it was difficulty losing weight back then.
Oh, I never tried. Are you kidding? I drank wine, margaritas, and I'm a traveling consultant, so I'm on the road all the time, and I'm an auditor, so I had an excuse to drink. But I went on the wheat-free diet, and then I started taking the supplements and the vitamins I was given, and I went cold turkey off the tortillas and the margaritas and the wine and the Italian food, and it works.
And how much weight have you lost?
As of today, in May it was 22 pounds per Dr. Ellsworth, so today it's probably closer to maybe 30. But my friends all say, stop, this is enough.
You know why? You're making them feel bad.
I think so. I really do.
This is what I find is that they go like, oh, you're losing too much weight because you're looking good.
Well, they go to the regular doctors with a regular pharmaceutical line, which I was not going to do. I wanted to do it the healthy way with vitamin supplements, but I wanted to be monitored by professionals. Sure. So I've been more than delighted. Really, I have. I'm so glad I got to see you today. That was an extra thrill.
So tell me about, you told me you thought you had good energy when you came in,
and I didn't realize that over the years my energy level had sapped, and of course I wasn't sleeping well at night. And so I just thought if I would drink more wine and drink more margaritas, it would go away. But it didn't. So now I do what I'm supposed to do, and it's not difficult. I eat out a lot because I travel, and I just learned what to eat and what not to eat. I drink tons of water. I drink a little black coffee in the morning, and I'm behaving myself, and it's not that difficult. So
your sugar level has come down significantly, hadn't it? So you've nobody's ever put you now, you didn't want to get started on metformin.
Oh no, I don't want any hard drugs. Yeah. I believe the pharmaceutical industry is a racket. I do enough reading to know how that works, and I didn't want to get involved in the racket. I wanted to do it the right way.
And your energy level is?
Oh, it's too much.
Now tell me again, what kind of work you're in? You do all
I am an auditor in the financial services industry. I do anti-money laundering, anti-terrorist financing. I do basic bank auditing, ACH audits, which is what most people do with their deposits now. They go ACH, immediate credit type things. And I travel extensively in the Southwest, and I have many clients who have been watching me in the last 6 months and commenting on that I need new suits because my suits are too big, but I've said, no, I'm keeping the suits, but I need a facelift. So that's where the next expense will go.
Well,
but it's been wonderful. I'm thoroughly
Well, Becky, thank you for giving us an opportunity to serve you. I'm so proud of you. And, you know, kudos go to you because you're the one that took charge of your health.
That is true. I made a choice.
And that's what's so important. We're encouraging people that want to take charge of their health to give us an opportunity to serve you. So if you'd like to get your health back and get on a path of health and wellness nationally, you can give us a call. Thank you, Becky.
You're
for
welcome.
Your wonderful story.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.